Hi everyone, our group are going to talk about two currency pairs in market view. Our group members are named Federica and Zoe. So let's start from the introduction of our topic. We will take the role of financial exchange traders and raise capital in particular currencies in the next 3 to 6 months. We are going to analyze the exchange market of USD against the AUD, EUR against the USD by examining future conditions of the market.
Now let's talk about exchange rates of USD AUD. Our view is that USD will appreciate over AUD. One of the reasons is due to the interest rate hikes that Federal Reserve of America has announced will attract funds to flow from Australia to US market to pursue higher interest rates. In traditional view, an increase in interest rate would encourage capital inflow, increasing demand for USD, and discourage capital outflow, decreasing supply of USD. As the diagram shows, an increase in interest rate shifts the supply curve to the left and demand curve to the right, resulting in an increase of exchange rate. As the interest rate in the US is higher than that in Australia, and that the interest rate may increase in the US continuously, we believe it will cause the AUD to depreciate against the USD. In addition to that, our research has provided us with extra layer of certainty in our forecast, which is the commodity price. Australia is a major exporter of commodities, such as minerals and agricultural products. As it is a resource-driven country, its currency value is heavily influenced by the commodity price. During the commodity boom, iron ore and coal exports to China had supported Australian dollar to be strong for a long time. However, the commodity boom has ended as a slowdown of China's economy, and decrease in commodity price will decrease the value of Australian exports, resulting in an depreciation. As Australia commodity price is lower than American commodity price and Australia future commodity price is expected to decrease, Australian dollar is believed to depreciate against USD.
Euro dollars appreciate against the US dollars. Inflation rate supports our view. The chart shows the inflation rate of US and Eurozone. Since 2015, US inflation rate has been higher than that of the Eurozone, and there is no clear signal states that this trend will reverse anytime. The higher inflation in US makes US exports more expensive, which causes less demand for USD and puts downward pressure on USD value. Moreover, economic growth prospects lead to currency appreciation. One effect of higher levels of economic growth is an increased demand for imports. This will increase the supply of the euro dollars and shift the supply curve to the right. Increase the level of the overseas borrowing to finance increased investment. This will increase the demand for the euro dollars and shift the demand curve to the right. As we can see the graph, the exchange rate of euro dollars will increase. For Eurozone, its recovering economic growth will reduce the fund outflow to US, leading to downward pressure on US dollar. Euro has a greater growth rate than that. Therefore, Euro will appreciate against the USD. However, the market consensus states that the Federation is more likely to take a mild approach instead of lift the rates 3 times as it claimed. The reason is President Trump cannot afford another recession in 2 years when he is up for the re-election. In addition, the trade friction between China and the US adds more uncertainty to the US economic environment. The overall picture of US market is not encouraging from our perspective. Therefore, we hold the view that investment money will be in more favor of Eurozone and therefore put upward pressure on euros. In addition, interest rate is a significant drive in the flow of funds, especially open economies like Eurozone and the US. The Federation has announced that their planned rate hike of 3 more times in 2018, which means that the funds are encouraged to flow back from European countries to US.
According to the above four theories and some reasons, we estimate the trend of USD will appreciate over AUD interest rate, and EU will appreciate against USD in the next 3 to 6 months. Thank you for your attention.